Namaskar everyone. All of you must already be aware about the day by day increasing thirst of China to capture the whole world, of course, including India also. Recently, Indian Navy noticed some unwanted activities of China in our territory, but with the help of submarine hunter P8, things are still under control. So, in this video, we are basically going to know about what does submarine hunter aircraft do and about the Indian submarine hunter Boeing P8. So let's start the video. Okay, so starting with what role does submarine hunter aircrafts play in the security system is basically submarine hunter aircrafts are used in general to detect any submarine of the enemy country or in other country who are trying to invade our country's territory. Okay, so let's start about learning about Boeing P8. Talking about the manufacturing of Boeing P8, which was formerly known as Multi-Mission Maritime Aircraft, is a military aircraft developed and produced by Boeing Defense, Space and Security, modified from 737-800 ERX. It was developed for the US Navy initially. The P8 is being operated in the anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare and shipping interdiction roles. It is armed with torpedoes, harpoons, anti-ship missiles and other weapons, and is able to drop and monitor soundbars as well as operate in conjunction with other assets, including the Northrop Grumman MQ-4C Triton maritime surveillance unmanned aerial vehicle. Talking about the design of this P8 aircraft, the P8 is a militarized version of 737-800 ERX, which is basically a 737-800 with 737-900 base wings. Okay, the fuselage is similar to but longer than the 737-700 base C-40 Clipper transfer aircraft in service with the US Navy. Okay, so now let's talk about the operational history of this aircraft. In January 2008, Boeing proposed the P8I, a customized export variant of P8A for the Indian Navy. The additional component in P8I are basically a telephonic APS-143 Ocean Eye AFT radar, and secondly a magnetic anomaly detector. On 4 January 2009, India's Ministry of Defense signed a $2.1 billion agreement with Boeing for 8 P8Is. It was Boeing's first military sale to India and the P8's first international customer. In November 2019, the Indian government approved the procurement of another 6 P8Is. It was also used during Doklam and Pulwama standoff to keep an eye on Pakistani and Chinese army. The P8 is operated by the US Navy, the Indian Navy, Royal Australian Air Force, that is RAAF, and the UK's Royal Air Force RAF. It has also been ordered by the Royal Norwegian Air Force, the Royal New Zealand Air Force and the Republic of Korea Navy. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you came this far, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel.